don't even know I am here. You've been so distant lately, taking your time, losing my mind. Yeah, do I even care anymore? Taking my love for granted, thinking about us turning to dust. You said that I already know we're better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't wanna be with me, I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me, I don't wanna give it up, baby.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video is a grocery haul and clean with me. I'll be taking you guys along as I show you all of the groceries that I purchased from H-E-B, Trader Joe's, Walmart, and a few items from Target. There are two parts to this video, but on the first part, we will focus on fridge organization. I hope you guys are ready for some extreme organization inspiration for your fridge. Do not forget that you can turn this video on any of your devices and clean with me, or you can watch now and get the motivation for later. Either way, let's get to cleaning.
Thinking about what I would say, getting better day by day. Same apartment, different place. Will I ever be the same? You don't wanna be with me, I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. Feel like I was free. Now it's just broken pieces of me. I don't know why you pretend. No, I don't wanna be at your party, seeing you right next to somebody. Why do you keep on trying to win it over?
On this day, I started off late, right after work. I was super tired, but I knew that I wanted to clean the kitchen before I picked up the groceries and also started to organize the fridge.
Yeah, I know what we said, I still think we should figure it. Out on our own, I just hope that we'll be okay. It's so difficult to see. Whatever happens is meant to be. Then you'll ask me what is wrong, and I don't even know how to answer. It's time to put an end to our chapter. Why do you keep on trying to win it over what we shouldn't do? Even though that I want you, why don't we go figure it? Out on our own. Yeah, I know what we said, I still think we should figure it. Out on our own, I just hope that we'll be okay. a smile. Why don't we go figure it? Yeah, 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 yeah. Out on our own. Yeah, I know what we said, I still think we should figure it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Out on our own. I just hope that we'll be okay. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Before your life was so boring, I got up, went to work just to get back home and repeat. Before you, I just felt nothing. I didn't dare to take risks. Now we be staying up all night. We don't have to sleep 'cause we're crazy in love, yeah. Oh, even if we start to fight, we know we can work it out, baby. Ooh, you make me wanna shout out the top of my lungs. You make me wanna jump when you tell me to jump. You make me wanna love like I'm 20 years young. With you I'm not the same. With you I'm not afraid. You make me wanna run like a kid with the kite. You make me wanna die from a cliff way too high. You make me wanna go where there's nowhere to hide. With you I'm not the same. With you I'm not afraid. With you I'm not the same. With you I'm not afraid. I used to be a big quitter. I couldn't take a leap.
If you are a new subscriber or you just clicked on my video, I hope you have enjoyed it this far to join my community, but if not, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Tamarika. I am a graphic designer, web developer, boy mom, military wife, cleaning fanatic, and I love organizing and home decor. That is me in a nutshell, and that is also all about my channel. I hope you enjoy and you hit that subscribe button to become a part of my community. Once you have done that, drop me some soap bubbles down below in the comment section.
With you I'm not afraid. You make me wanna run, 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 You make me wanna shout out the top of my lungs. You make me wanna jump when you tell me to jump. You make me wanna love like I'm 20 years young. With you I'm not the same. With you I'm not afraid. You make me wanna run like a kid with the kite. You make me wanna die from a cliff way too high. You make me wanna go where there's nowhere to hide. With you I'm not the same. With you I'm not afraid. I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with
This is the first grocery haul and clean with me in the new house, and I always enjoy these because it kind of set the tone and also creating a system for my family for the fridge and also the pantry. Once I start to organize the fridge, I will be giving you tips and tricks on how to clean and organize your fridge.
When you close, I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
The text on XO, my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol, just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down, don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
I wanted to come and give you guys a grocery haul. Everything is from H-E-B besides the popcorn that is from the Tabitha Brown line at Target. I will let you guys know about that when we get there. This is not all of it. I have to go to Sam's Club for a pickup order and also Trader Joe's. This is one of the newer items that I picked up from H-E-B. Why is my camera trying to check everything else but this? Okay, I am obsessed with mushrooms, so I will have to let you guys know how this tastes. I have never heard of this brand before, Sweet Earth, so we're gonna see how this tastes. Next up, I got some ramen noodles by, I think it's Nongshim or Nongshim. I think that's how you pronounce it. I could be wrong. But we have the beef bone broth and also spicy. Also picked up some egg noodles. pork shoulder because we are doing pulled pork nachos tonight. Some keto buns. Cornstarch. I got HEB honey. This is the best honey I have tasted ever. It's not super thick and it's also not super sweet at all. All of the other honey inside the store it's too sweet for me. Dark brown sugar, Stubbs spicy barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce, a Coca-Cola. No, we are not drinking this, you guys. It is for the pulled pork. I am not a big fan of sodas at all. Worcester sauce. This, I think it's hoisin sauce. And also some soft taco shells. I love the HEB brand of the tortilla chips. They taste better than any other brand to me. HEB is just applies pressure with all of their brand items. Next, we have snacks. I'll start from the back. Organic animal cookies for the boys. Ghirardelli milk chocolate caramel squares. This is my weakness. Yo Crunch yogurt and Oreo and M&M flavor. This is also a new one in this house. I want to try it and see how it works for Carter. If you are new here, he is allergic to pretty much everything, so his diet is limited. And this is dairy-free smoothies by the Stonyfield brand. So we're gonna see how this goes. Boom, Chicka Pow in the sweet and salty kettle corn popcorn. Also the Skinny Pop in white cheddar. My husband got some Cinnamon Toast cereal, keto friendly, because he's currently on a keto diet. Snack sticks. I got this and also these, the beef sticks and cheese for the boys to snack on. We have snacks. Well, these are my husband's for, they're all keto, I think. Yes, these are all keto friendly. By the Atkins brand, we have strawberry cheesecake, birthday cake bar, cookies and cream bar. And these are by the Slim Fast brand, and these are cookies and cream as well. These look good. We also have a Keto Crisp almond butter and blackberry jelly. That doesn't sound too hot. And this is nut butter. Some Go-Gurt in the strawberry flavor. And these are the Tabitha Brown brand in flavors dill pickle and also sweet and salty. I've already tried these. They taste so good. That's why I went back and got more. I think I got 3 more bags of these. These dill pickle is like my favorite flavor of all time besides cinnamon. And I've tried these and the dill pickle flavor is not very flavory, but this tastes amazing. So this, I have to eat it some more to give you guys a review. Now on to cheese and I guess pepperonis, which is another snack for the boys. We have cheese sticks in mild cheddar and also mozzarella cheese. I I got Laughing Cow in the flavor garlic and herb. This tastes amazing. I've already opened one of them. Baby Bell cheese. The boy snacks on this. Velveeta cheese. Organic diced garlic. This is amazing. I cook with this. And for this, Borson, I saw this on TikTok. A guy was cooking garlic and cheese chicken, which gives me the idea of garlic parmesan chicken, and that is one of my favorite flavors. So I am going to try this and see how it goes. Next up, we have fruits and vegetables. Red sliced apples and also the Granny Smith green apples, both H-E-B brand. Like I said, H-E-B is the clutch. Red seedless apples, Pico de Gallo, also H-E-B brand. Cabbages, sweet potatoes, golden potatoes, asparagus, organic baby spinach, and these are the last two, which we got mixed berry bold with kiwi and strawberry and pineapples. I know this haul looks totally different from any other haul I have done on my channel. I know you guys are like, where's the snacks, Tam? Or this is different, but this is how we have been eating for a while now. We're trying to get the boys back on the same diet. This was our diet before COVID. So we're trying to transition into more healthy options. And I know this is not the healthiest haul, but it looks totally different from all my other hauls. I do have a pickup from Sam's, so you may think a little different once I pick that up. But yeah, this is everything from H-E-B and also the popcorn from Target.
With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you're doing right, but in the morning you just...
Now that we are done with the H-E-B grocery haul, I am going to start taking everything out of the top of the fridge and organize it. When you are organizing your fridge, it is best to remove everything outside the fridge so you can give it a good deep clean.
Had to convince my friends this time, think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Oh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you do. see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies.
When I removed the drawers, I was like, wow. I could not believe that all of that was back there. And I know it had to be one of the boys because the snack drawer was sticky as well. This is a reminder for you to remove everything outside of your fridge and give it a real good deep clean before it looks all aesthetically pleasing.
Hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe.
Once you're done deep cleaning your fridge, now it is time to get into the organization. When it comes to organization, people always believe that you have to have containers or bins, but that is not the case. You can have a well-organized fridge without any containers or bins. But me, I'm extra and I love to see everything sync and a vibe. So I purchased containers to create that vibe. All of my containers inside this video is from Amazon. I will link them down below, but you can purchase containers from Dollar Tree, Ross, Burlington, Home Goods, TJ Maxx. They all have a variety of bins.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
I just realized that I was about to start organizing the fridge and I didn't even tell you guys what I got from Trader Joe's. So we're gonna start with that. I got mushrooms. Delicious salad. Miso ramen. Chicken and bone broth. Chicken bone and beef broth. Beef bone broth, sorry. Applesauce and apple carrot and also apple mango. I might have to turn my ring light off because of that glare. Okay, sweetie. Roasted, salted sunflower seeds. Buffalo chicken dip. Mango juice, 100% juice, mainly for smoothies, which I will probably use this for. I got 2 of them. All natural beef hot dogs. Hot honey sauce. Organic virgin coconut oil. Orange peach mango juice. Organic sliced apples. Glazed maple donuts. This is my first time trying this, so I don't know how these taste. Garlic and cheese breadsticks. This is one of my favorites from Trader Joe's. I got cucumbers. I slice these up as a snack. If you are from the South, you know about cucumber salads. Spicy jalapeno chicken sausages. I got Greek yogurt in guava passion fruit and also honey. These 2 are both of my favorite flavors. And I got large brown eggs. I got 3 of these. There is more stuff inside the freezer, but once I get to the freezer, I will hold it up on the screen so you guys can see it. But I am trying to get all this done before work, so we are about to start organizing the fridge. If you have made it this far in the video, it lets me know that you are enjoying it and you also like my content. So why not hit that like button or subscribe if you haven't already. The first step was deep cleaning your fridge. The second step was gathering your containers and bins if you want it to be extra like me. Now it is time to stock your fridge. I am a firm believer in removing as much packaging from your fridge and pantry as possible.
Messed up, checking my phone. Yeah, seeing all these people, having someone to lean on while I don't. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah. Messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah. We used to be so good together, like Bonnie and Clyde. Yeah, that kind of vibe, a love that couldn't last forever. Explosive, right? You're dynamite, but now my heart's so heavy. You moved on with your life and left me out. I thought that we would last forever, like Bonnie and Clyde. Baby, now I'm here in the flashing lights, drowning out my sorrows. Looking for someone in the neon lights who could make me let go. I'm out of control. You don't know how much it hurts to breathe the nights. I need to know who you're sleeping next to. Tell me what you're up to. Te extraño. We used to be drawn to each other. Yin and yang, we were one like that. You gave my life brighter colors, then left so fast I couldn't catch you. Yeah, it feels so hard to let you go. Wish that I could let you know I'm getting out of control. Baby, now I'm here in the flashing lights, drowning out my sorrows.
While I waited for the fruit to dry, I wanted to come and tackle this middle drawer, which is now going to be the snack drawer. I say this always in my videos when I am organizing the fridge and also the pantry. It's best to come up with a system for your family. A system is a layout in a way that you organize your fridge that best suit the needs of you and your family. In this case, my needs are out the door because this can no longer be a freezer for me. It is going to be a snack galore section for the boys.
I'm dancing alone in the dark to forget. Yeah. I'm here with the scars that you left me. Yeah. I'm dancing alone in the dark to forget. I'm here with the scars that you left me. I need to know who you're sleeping next to. Tell me what you're up to. Te
Taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind.
If you have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for sticking with me. I hope you are getting tons of organization inspiration and tips and tricks on how to organize your fridge. Also, drop me a black heart emoji down below in the comment section.
Baby, I feel for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try. Yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll.
Now it is time to organize the freezer, which is my least favorite part of the fridge to organize because you all know that I am the Tetris queen. I have a lot of stuff in my freezer and I'm going to make it work. I know I said this over and over when I was in California and also in the last house, but now we are stable and there will not be any moving anytime soon. I hope and pray. I am going to buy a deep freezer, but I searched because I was told to get an upright deep freezer instead of a chest because upright is better. They are very expensive. So drop all of your recommendations down below in the comment section, and also give me your pros and cons of a upright deep freezer or a chest.
So fragile when you know yourself well. Somewhere down the sweet line when I do things for me, 'cause I don't wanna be a therapy. I wanna be free. So ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh, I don't know what I'ma do now. Ooh, but I don't need your help. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me stay, to stay. I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. The last thing I will ever do for you is wish you the best of luck. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. I know, you know.
Now that the fridge is all organized, I am going to tidy up the kitchen to make sure it matches the vibe of the fridge. Remember, this is only part 1. Part 2 will be the pantry, and part 3 will be organizing my drawers and the rest of the kitchen. My pantry looks a hot mess right now, and that is because I really just place everything inside, and you can kind of get a sneak peek of it right now. So make sure you have those bells on so you do not miss any of my videos.
Wish you the best of luck. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Get out of my way. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Get out of my way. We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes seemed a bit worried. You said it was nothing, but I knew you get buried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk.
It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk. I know you have your reasons to yell at me tonight, baby. Can we see this as a lesson? That maybe we should open up the sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. Don't ask me to leave, 'cause I wanna stay. Don't ask me to leave, 'cause I wanna stay. We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk.
He got these yellow brown eyes and a smile on his face when he tells me he wants me. From the feelings I can hide when I dance and I sway with his arms tight around me.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul and clean with me, and it gave you tons of cleaning motivation and also some organization inspiration for your fridge. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.
Got the air feeling vibrant. Feels like the ceiling is high in this club, 'cause right now every move gets me soaring. And when the music's so loud I can't speak, but I sure like to feel it when he's near.